Hi, everyone. As you can see, we're all quarantined and out of school till a couple weeks from now. So I'm going to give you guys one lesson that you can do hopefully Monday. Hopefully this is Monday you're watching, and have your teachers push out the website. So the website, as you can see, is up here. It's the Corvallis Primary School Specialist. It's the one we used last year, and I try to make it as simple as possible. So you will go to Quarantine Lesson. Okay, when you click on Quarantine Lesson, you're going to see a few things. You're going to have a PowerPoint that I'm going to go through right here. So when you click this, it'll take you to the lesson as I walk you through it. Okay? After you go through this lesson on what we're going to learn and why we're going to learn it and how you will know if you learned it, you'll click on Physical Activity for Young Children. This is a video. These are some of the questions you'll have to turn in to me down here. Okay? After you do that, we're going to do the Cowboy Ninja Bear battle, fitness battle that we did last spring. I thought it'd be fun to bring back. I have other things, but I thought this would be a fun thing for you since we're not playing any everybody at tag right now. So you'll go through these and then make sure you turn this in. Now, when you turn this in, I have instructions on this. In the subject, put 2G, like second grade Grenfell, 3B, third grade Burris, 4J, fourth Jameson. So whatever grade you are, you're going to add that in the subject, and I have that written right here, as you can see. Okay, so right here. So this is all these, just so that you get this, but the main thing is when you click on this lesson, it will show you exactly what to do, and we'll walk through the lesson together. This is just what I'm going to walk through here. And then, of course, these are the videos for all of you. All right. If you have questions, please email me, and we will enjoy this year.